So I'm going to be showing you a website where you can generate VEO3 videos and also Grok videos as well for free. And it is unlimited. You can generate as much as you can. You can generate unlimitedly without paying a dime for it. So now you can see from the videos showing on your screen right now, those I generated all those videos using Grok and VEO3 for free. Immediately I came across this particular website, I just said, no, I don't have to keep this particular website to myself alone. Let me share it with you guys so that you'll be able to also get this update and also seize the opportunity and create your videos for free. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial as the gist the hot.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright, this is the website we're going to be using for this particular tutorial. I'll be pinning the link to this particular website in the comment section, or I'll be dropping it in the description box. You can just check it out the two. You will definitely see the link to this website here. Or what you can just do is you can just come over to your Google, just search for Gemini Gen AI. Just search for Gemini Gen AI. So once you search for that, it's going to come up. You can see, just look for the word that's looking like this. This is the URL. So this is the one you are going to be. Just click on this particular one. It's going to bring you to this website. So once you're on this website, what you just need to do is need to sign in or to account. Just so click on sign up. You'll be saying sign up and log in. You will see, just click on sign up. Then it's going to require you to register with your Google account. For now, it only uses Google account. So you're going to register with your Google account. Then once you register with your Google account, it's going to bring you to interface like this. I've already gone ahead to log into my own account. So now once you're on this particular dashboard, you're going to see what you're going to do. You head over to where you have studio. So you head over to where you have studio, but if you log in, it should bring you directly to this page. But if in case it doesn't bring you here, just click on studio. It's going to bring you to this particular site. So now once you're in this site, the next thing you're going to do is just scroll down and you're going to see VEO3. Now I just want to just show you what you're doing. Just click on this particular one and you can see the same way you do on your normal VEO3. You can see you have the first image and you also have the last image. So in case you want something like that, you can add the images, reference images to your thing. But for this particular tutorial, I'm not going to be making use of anything image. And you can see from here on the other models, you can see we have the 3.1 fast and the 3.1 light. So it depends on what the one you want to make use of. So you can select any one there. And you can see that it's free. So I'm going to now scroll down. I'm going to scroll down under where let me scroll down a little bit. Now under where we have the prompts, you're going to just paste in your prompts, what you want this particular design to do for you. So now I'm going to I already have my prompts. Look at the prompts. I generated some videos with this earlier. So let me just bring it here. I paste in the prompts over here. So once I paste in the prompts, you are going to select the aspect ratio. So do you want it to be portrait or do you want it to be landscape? So if you're using shots, definitely you go with 16:9. Then if you're doing the normal long video, you make use of the 16:9. I mean the 9:16 for short and the 16:9 for long videos. So now I'm going to now select, let me say for this one, I'm going to be selecting this 16:9. Let's say I want to create a long video. So you can see, you can either select this resolution or you select this resolution. For my sake, I'm going to select the full HD resolution. Now you can see I'm going to select the 8 seconds. I'm going to select 8 seconds for this particular one. So once I do that, I'm going to click on generate. And you can see this particular bit got 0 credits. Now I'm going to now click on generate video. So once you click on generate video, you just have to wait and verify this that you are not a human. Just allow it's going to do that. So and see it has finished. So now what I'm now going to do is just to wait. You can see it has started creating the video. So you can see it has automatically started creating. So you just wait. Let's just wait a little and it's going to finish creating this particular video course. So sometimes probably your network might keep loading and I'm making this place to keep loading and loading. So what you're going to do here and just click on the history. After, let me say, a while and it's still loading, you can just click on history and it's going to open up and you see your this there. But I think it has finished generating from here. Now what's the event? I'm going to, you can just play the video to see what it generated. You can see this is what it generated. So now it's not left for you to probably regenerate more and edit your video the way you want. So in case you want to download it, right click on download and it's going to done. While that is downloading, I'm going to now close this. Now let me show you the one of the Grok. Now under the Grok, I can still make use of the same prompt. I can still make use of the same prompts and generate another one. But let me think. Okay, let me just still make use of the same prompt to generate another one. Then this time around, I'm going to make use of the same last step and say high resolution and let's see, let's be the you can see extend. You can see from here you also have extend. So in case you want to and extend, still extend the video more, your choice. So now for that on Grok, if you're doing that on Grok, please, if you're using you don't select this 10 seconds. If you select the 10 seconds, it's going to ask you to subscribe to their Grok plan. But if you go for the 6 seconds, that creates as much videos as you want. So once I am going for the 6 seconds, then you can see this video still costs 0 seconds. And once I click on generate, you can see step. Remember, I'm using same prompt. I didn't change the prompt, so I'm going to be using. I'll use same prompt and generate on that video. You can see it's generating. Let's see. I see my video has started generating. So it will start with the video over here. You can see it has started loading here. So now what you're going to do is just for it to just wait, special click or it to finish generating the video. So you can see it has finished generating the video. You can see this is the video. Let me quickly play it so that we see. So you can see this is what it generated for me. So now you can just let me just download that. What's the in there? So you can see I downloaded the video, and so once you get the video downloaded, what you not just need to do, you can see in case you want to see the work you've done so far, what you just need to do, you click on this history. Once you click on history, you're going to be able, you will see all the work you've done, your past, your videos. You can see these are all the videos I generated so far, and all these I generated them using Plot 3 and Grok. And the funny part is that I never had to pay anything, and all this were going to pay. So you can see even your host has been much video as he worked to using this particular website called free. So now what I want to advise you is that I don't know how long this particular website will continue releasing these videos for free. So once you go, I will quickly just tell you is to ensure you seize this opportunity and generate as much video as you can. So I just maybe I got this update, I just say let me just share it with you guys, and so that you don't miss out on this particular update. So just ensure you sign up and start creating your videos as much as you can while it lasts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.